Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tip channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a vision board in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search to Google, then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Just click on it and write vision board, then click enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many vision board templates. Just choose one which is relevant to you or which is your choice preference. Okay, so let's choose this one. If you want to customize this vision board, just click on customize this template. After clicking on this, you can see here your vision board. You can edit every portion you want. I'm gonna show you how. If you want to this is looks like so small, how you can make it a zoom. Just click on this and press Ctrl from your keyboard and up scroll from your mouse. It will be zoom like this. So now you can see here the pictures of vision boards. You can change every pictures you want. Like if you want to add a picture, if you want to delete this picture and add your own, just click this one and click backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed, and you can go uploads and upload files here and upload a file from your computer, I mean any picture. After uploading, your picture will be here. If you click on this, this will be like this. If you drag it to here, it will be automatically adjusted. Okay guys, so this one. So if you want to add a custom picture, let's see how. Just I'm deleting this one and going elements, this option, and click on search elements. Now what you want to put here, like I'm gonna put here a car picture. I'm writing a car, Lamborghini. Sorry, no Lamborghini but car. I can find many car pictures here. Okay, here's the picture, or here's the car icon. What you can choose. I'm choosing a picture. So after clicking on this, it will be here. You have to drag it from your mouse like this and it will be automatically adjusted. Okay guys, see, so you can change every portion, every picture you can change, like I show you. So if you want to change this writing hello vision board 2008, this one, just double click on this and backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and write anything like my vision board, vision board. If you want to reduce this font size, just select and you can see here decrease minus button. Just click on this, it will be reduced. Okay guys, so now you can delete all things like this, all things delete, and you can write here like this too. Go to text, you can see here add a text. Now you can drag it here, resize it with your, adjust it with the space, and double click on this. You can delete this thing. Then you can decrease your font size like 70 or 65. Then you can write anything you want, like my vision board 2023. Okay, so if you want to color this text, just choose this text and go to this color, text color, and you will find many colors. Just choose one and it will be automatically colored like this. Okay guys, so if you want to make it italic, click here, it will be italic. If you want to make it bold, click on bold, it will be bold. Okay, so if like I said, if you can change every pictures by clicking on this and click backspace, it will be removed, and put your picture here like this, what I have shown before. So if you want to change the background color like this, uh, uh, just click on this and you can see here the background color. Click on background color and choose one color. You can choose any color you want. So after completing your work, how you can save it, just go to share and you can see here download. Click on download. If you download this, your work will be downloaded in your computer, or uh, if you want to share with people, just click on here. Sorry, first here collaborate link, go anyone with the link, then write here your email address @gmail.com. Then click on send. If you click on send, this work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how basically you can make a whiteboard in Canva. Okay guys, sorry, vision board in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.